Everyone, welcome back in dot programming virtual series. My name is Azhar Slim. In this video we are going to discuss about functions. So let's define here a function void and the function name, I would say my list, and here I'm going to pass a variable. The name is num or numbers, and inside this function let's run a loop for var num in numbers, then print numbers. Sorry, this num. Number. Okay, now in next step we have to call this function. Because we pass here void, it will return us nothing. So my list, and here I'm going to pass var my list numbers 1 4 8 9. Save and run, see what happened. Here we have output our numbers 1489. So what's happened here? First of all, I create here a function, and in this function we'll pass here a parameter numbers, and after that we run here for loop var number in numbers means this number, and then we print out the number. After define our function, then I call this my list function here in main, and already we create a list, and the list I passed here, and then it's give us the result. If I remove this void, it also means it's giving us nothing. It's a default void. If I pass here the type is dynamic, now it will give us the dynamic values. Means it may be anything like an integer or anything else. So this is how we can use or create a functions in Dart, and there is not too much tricky or complex. Definitely your logic or the code you have to write inside your function, and you can call, and maybe inside a function there is another function you call or create. In next tutorial we create a classes, and then we call these function inside the classes. It's also called the method, and that's for this tutorial. See you in next one.